Apple made several announcements about iOS 27 and Apple Intelligence at WWDC, but it didn't mention a small but fun update rolling out with iOS 27. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. When the iOS 27 becomes available this fall, users will get the ability to create better Genmoji and tweak it easily until you get the result you were hoping for. Sources have discovered a new Genmoji creation experience in the platform's developer build, which starts with giving you the option to make one from an existing emoji, an image from photos, a person tagged in your gallery, or written text prompt. Now, this is where the new experience truly shines. If you didn't like the output you got, you can use the new Describe a Change interface to tell the Genmoji creator how to change it. You can alter colors and add elements if you want, simply by typing in another text prompt. In an example, the user asked for a kitten with an umbrella and then asked the creator to change the orange cat to calico without having to repeat the process from the start, unlike the current creator, in which if you have to make a brand new Genmoji if you didn't like the first result it gave you. Plus, the new creator even generates more consistent output, with the default being emoji and cute 3D cartoon style. However, you'll be able to change the style with new options that includes Genmoji that looks like drawings or sketches. Apple didn't explain these particular set of changes further in its WWDC, but it did add a line in its Apple Intelligence reveal that says Genmoji quality is even better and allows users to describe the changes they want to make. The feature is rolling out on the new Apple Intelligence sometime this fall. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.